I'm Ryan DeCleva, and the item I chose that references my essay is the Percy Jackson Lightning Thief by Rick Riordan. I started reading this book in third grade, and this was the first like actually big, hard, challenging chapter book that I've ever read. It was the first time I went from something simple like the Magic Tree House or other books similar to that, and it was the first just challenging book I've ever read. Um, I started reading this book in after school program. I remember spending about 20 to 30 minutes a day, and my reading skills weren't that good back then, and I didn't understand some words. And I would say it probably took me maybe 2 or 3 months total to finish the book. And then even though I finished it, I still didn't have the best understanding because there was a lot of words I didn't know. But I also learned a ton of words while reading it. And this really helped me out later when I started fourth grade. I was already reading better than most of the kids. Um, we had like little star stickers in the library or whatever, and based on the color determines like what level of reading you're at. And I remember being one of like the highest for the elementary school. So this book really helped me starting to get interested in reading bigger and harder books that would help me learn more. It really helped me get interested in reading. Um, this is like the one book that got me really interested in reading while I was younger. And ever since then, I've enjoyed reading. I don't read as much as I used to, but this is what really helped me get better with my English. And then literally like every other thing that has to do with reading is because my skills have gotten better literally just from reading this one book while I was younger. And I'm very happy that I did read it when I was younger because if I didn't, I don't think I would be as good of a reader as I was today because this really inspired me to read other books and it led me to reading just so many other books that really, really helped my reading and talking and thinking skills.